Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dika Luna and I'm from English Education Semester 4 Class C. And I will explain about syntax. Okay, number 1, syntax. Syntax refers to the rules that govern how words are arranged to form sentences in a language. A basic example of syntax is the subject-verb-object or SVO structure in English sentence. Example: I subject, it verb, price object. 2. Classification of words. Classification of words is the process of grouping words based on their function in a sentence. There are several main parts in the classification of words, namely 1. Noun. Words used to refer to people, place, things, or ideas. Example: book and cat. 2. Verbs. Words that indicate action or state. Example: run and ride. Number 3. Adjective. Words that provide additional information about nouns or pronoun. Example: big and beautiful. Number 3. Praise. A praise is a group of words that does not contain a complement, subject, and predicate. Praise typically consists of keywords that support the meaning in a sentence. There are several common types of praise, such as noun praise, verb praise, adjective praise, and propositional praise. 1. Noun praise. Noun praise is a praise that functions as a noun in a sentence. For example, a teacher read car a book. 2. Verb praise. Verb praise is a praise that functions as a verb in a sentence. For example, is reading, will go, likes to cat. Number 3. Adjective. Praise is a praise that functions an adjective in a sentence. For example, very smart, good soul, very fast. 4. Propositional praise. Propositional praise is a praise that begins with a propositional and consists of an object and other supporting words. For example, at home, to school, from the city. 4. Sentence. A sentence is a grammatical unit that typically consists of a subject, predicate, and expert to complete talk. There are different types of sentence based on their structure and function, such as simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. 1. Simple sentence. A simple sentence consists of a single independent clause. For example, she sings beautifully. Number 2. Compound sentence. A compound sentence consists of two more independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. For example, she sings beautifully and he plays the guitar. Number 3. Complex sentence. A complex sentence consists of one independent clause and less one independent clause For example, a dog, she sings beautifully, she is shy. For compound and complete sentence, a complete sentence consists of multiple independent clause and dependent clause. For example, she sings beautiful, but she gets nervous when performing in a public because she is shy. Okay, number 5. Clause. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and predicate. Clause can be classified into two main types: independent clause and dependent clause. 1. Independent clause. An independent clause, also known as a main clause, can stand alone as a complete sentence because it expresses a complete thought. For example, she sings beautifully. 2. Dependent clause. A dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause, cannot stand alone as a complete sentence because does not express a complete thought. It relies on an independent clause to form a complete sentence. For example, a talks, she sings beautifully. Dependent clause can serve different functions within a sentence, such as acting as adverbial clause, adjective clause, or non-clause. Understanding clause is essential for constructing clear and coherent sentence. And the last, grammatical function. Grammatical function refers to the roles that words or phrase play in a sentence. Some main functions include subject, the door of the action. Example, John eat rice. John subject. Predicate, show the action or state. Example, John eat rice. Eat rice, predicate. Object, the derivative of the action. Example, John eat rice. Rice, object. Complement, completes the meaning of the subject or predicate. Example, she is a doctor. Doctor, complement. Modifier, provide additional information or description. Example, the big house. Big, modifier. Words and phrase within a sentence serve specific functions to convey meaning effectively. Understanding the grammatical function of words help in analyzing sentence structure. Here are some common grammatical functions. 1. Subject. Subject is the main noun of pronoun that performs the action in a sentence. 2. Predicate. The predicate is part of the sentence that provides information about the subject, including the verb and other elements. 3. Object. The object is the noun or pronoun that refers the action of the verb. There are direct object and indirect object. For adverbial, adverbial modify verbs, adjective or other adverb to provide information about time, place, manner, frequency, and etc. And the last modifier. Modifier are words or phrase that provide additional information about other element in a sentence, such as adjective or adverb. Grammatical function helps in analyzing sentence structure and clarifying the relationship between different elements in a sentence. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.